friends, happy Wednesday. All right, I'm not really prepared to go live, but I'm excited about something that I'm doing because I'm learning something new. And when I learn something new, I want to share it with you guys. So I hope you find it beneficial as well. On this live, I am talking specifically about large china hutches. If you could please throw out in comments if you have one of these in your house, maybe even sitting in your garage, or perhaps you even are leasing a storage unit just because you need to store a china cabinet because it's so big. All right, that would be great. Also, let me know where you're watching from. I would love to hear from you. All right, so what I'm going to talk about in this live, and the reason why I'm so excited about it, is that this is the first time I'm actually breaking up a china hutch, meaning the top half and the bottom half. And I'm actually going to be adding legs to the bottom of this top half of the china hutch, so it becomes a lower, wide, beautiful farmhouse statement piece sitting on bun legs like these, bun feet, sofa feet. There are a lot of names for this. So I just want to talk to you a little bit about what I'm doing with it, how I went about buying bun feet, trying to get the most of for my money, because the last thing you want to do is spend a lot of money on when you're, when you're repurposing something. It's always about trying to save money as much as possible. But also we're going to talk real briefly on selecting a color as well. So please shout out if you have any questions. Also, if you've ever done something like this, I want to hear from you in comments because I'm still learning on this project. And I love it when we all help each other out on this Porch Nook group. All right, so, what's my name? I'm Kristen, guys. I'm the owner of Porch Nook, a decorative paint business located in Folsom, California. By the way, California right now, we are in the national news because we have scheduled power outages because we have some high winds coming. And we want to make sure we don't create any fire situations like we did last year. So if my power goes out, and if I start to freak out a little bit, really, it's okay. It's okay. It's a planned freak out. Let me know if anyone from California is watching. That'd be so great. All right, let's get started. So give me a shout out in comments if you guys have a china cabinet like this, china hutch. It's huge, just huge. And let me know, first of all, if you have one. Secondly, is it something that you just kind of want to get out of your house? It feels kind of dated. You're tired of the wood look. Let me know if you feel that way. A friend of mine, her mother actually gave me this china cabinet because she just was tired of looking at it. It was too big. And also it turns out that I think she was moving to a new place, and newer construction doesn't have like grand walls where you can showcase a piece like this. Let me know if you agree. That's what I'm finding here in Folsom. And actually it's harder for me to move larger pieces because people just don't have wall space for it. But I'm going to try and make it so stinking cute that they're going to have to want to buy it. Anyway, what I did for this, what you can do with a china hutch if it's just too big and you just want to freshen things up, you can break it up into two parts generally. On this particular piece, there's the top half here as well as a bottom buffet part that it rested on. I broke it apart, I separated them, I put the buffet actually in my house, and I'm going to convert this into a standalone piece by adding some feet to the bottom of it, which I'm very excited about. So stinking cute. If you just Google top half china hutch with legs, you'll see so many beautiful painted pieces with this concept. So by no means is this original, but I'm just so excited that I'm actually working on my first one, and I just want to show you guys what I learned in the process. All right, so we talked about how you can break it up and freshen things up just by breaking it apart and actually creating two pieces out of it. What I want to talk to you about is the legs here that you would actually attach to the bottom of the thing here, of the hutch case. And that is, these things, brand spanking new, can go anywhere from like, let's say $15 to $20 a piece. So we're talking 4 feet, right? Oh, math. Someone knew the math for me. So we're talking $60 to $80 just for feet alone, okay? But what I do, here's what I do. Here's my little secret, is that I look out for garage sales and I look out for those ugly chairs or couches that people are trying to sell for, $10, $20. And I go up to them. This actually happened last weekend, and I offered the gal who was holding the garage sale, I said, listen, I don't want your chair, but I want your chair's feet. Can I just have the feet for $20? And she did. She gave me 4 feet. These are 6-inch wide, beautiful bun feet for $20 total. So basically I'm ahead of the game by $40 to $60. So that's one thing you can do to save money. But what I did do for this live is I did provide you links to Amazon where you can find feet, 2 different styles, a bun as well as a spindle style as well, which I highly recommend. They're highly rated sellers. They're unfinished pieces, so that way you can stain them or paint them any color that you need them to be. All right, so I got these feet, right? Now I'm thinking, how am I gonna mount them? Oh, I should probably take you off the clip so you can see. So I ran to Home Depot, and I provide you a link to this plate as well. There are these mounting plates that you can attach your feet to. Let me take you down. I'm gonna bring you down, but in a good way. Hold on, I'm gonna show it to you real quick. I'm gonna flip the camera. So these are the plates right here that I bought at Home Depot. Again, I just provided you guys a link to the exact same mounting plate, and I attached it to all four corners on the bottom of my hutch. The thing is that these plates have a very shallow depth. So that means my existing, this is as far as I can get my bun foot into this mounting plate. And I'm like, well, I didn't think that through. So that's why I'm sharing it with you guys, because I want to save you some frustration and time. So that means I could either well, just give up and cry. 2, I could get my husband's metal like hack blade saw and cut them down. I don't want to do that. I don't. Or 3, just go ahead and buy some new screws that are actually shorter. And the name of these screws are called hanger bolts. Hold on, let me show you. Hanger bolts. The hanger bolt, oh, there's my other foot, sorry. Okay, I didn't have to walk away. Here we go. These are called hanger bolts. I didn't know that until like 10 minutes ago, guys. And they come in different lengths as well as diameter. Hanger bolts, this particular one is a 3-inch screw. Do I have a full screw I can show you? Hold on. So I took one out of the foot. Here you go. Sorry, wish I was more organized. I told you I wasn't ready to go live, guys. I told you. This is the original 3-inch hanger bolt screw that is in this leg. I'm going to show you how easy it is to actually remove the hanger bolt. And I also provided you guys a link to Amazon to a shorter hanger bolt that will work with the plates that I just showed you, the mounting plates. And I just ordered them and they're coming tomorrow morning. So I'm so excited about that. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. So then I'll show you how easy it is to take these out. I'll be reinstalling the new hanger bolts in, and then I'll be able to easily screw these in so they look nice and tight, like they belong there, right? That's my plan. All right, so before I show you how to remove a hanger bolt, real quickly, I want to talk to you about color choice for a china cabinet such as this. I had a very healthy debate with my very creative friend, Clara, my Dutchy friend, whom I love dearly. And I talked to her about the cabinet, and I'm thinking about a dark green spruce it up, because you know it sells, people love spruce it up. But she had a really good point. If you have a china cabinet it's full of glass and it has a mirrored back, that means it's going to be reflecting bright light inside back into the room. And if you have a bright reflection from the mirror and you have a dark color painted on the exterior, it's going to make the piece look even darker. Does that make sense? Can you give me a thumbs up if that makes sense? Please let me know. I want to make sure I articulate this well. So again, if someone has this in a, let's say a front room or a sunny room, and the mirror, which I'm not planning on removing the mirror, and the mirror is reflecting some bright light, it just makes the color that you apply on there even darker. And I'm like, you know what? I'm like, damn, she's right. Clara's right. So I'm going to go with a lighter color. I'm not sure which one yet. Probably polished stone, maybe sea glass. And yeah, we're going to go with that. I'm probably going to, make it a little bit rustic and use a dark wax. But that's something to think about. Now, if you don't have mirrors in the back of this thing, guys, I say paint the inside to bring in another pop of color, or you can get like a wallpaper or a contact paper, or heck, you can even Mod Podge anything you want onto the backing to give it that really unique, fun, whimsical look. Does that make sense? I wish I didn't have mirrors on this, but I'm definitely not removing them because it's such a great high-end piece. I'm going to leave it as is. All right, I'm going to move the camera real quick. Put you over there so I can show you how easy it is to remove the hanger bolt, okay? I'm going to put this down first. Sometimes I forget. Sometimes I forget I only have 2 hands. I do. All right, I'm going to move you over here. I'm going to rest you right here. And I'm going to show you. So Here's the bun feet. I got 4 of them. And thank goodness for YouTube, you know, because I just said, how do you remove a hanger bolt? And doggone, there's this guy from Delaware, and he showed me how. So I just got some vice grips. I tried using just like a regular wrench. I had to try several different tools to figure it out, but this really works. It's just simply a clamp tool. And you simply tighten it around to the base. And you hang on to the base of the screw. You don't want to go to the middle or the side. It's just highly recommended because you get more torque. You go to the base and you simply unscrew it. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. I was going right before and I'm like, oh, my vice grips aren't working. But oh, I'm like, oh yeah, righty tighty, lefty loosey. So it just keeps going and going and going. And is it almost done? Here it is. That's how easy it is to remove one of these bolts, guys. I'm going to put this down. So that's what I'm doing. That's an update on my latest project. I wish I was a little more organized. I'm sorry, but I got excited, learning something new, and I want to share it with you guys. So if you have a large china hutch, don't give up on it. Stop. It's nothing worse than having something in your house you kind of just had this wave of dread just kind of veil over you every time you look at it. And that's just, no one needs that type of baggage. You need to surround yourself with things that you love and that bring you joy. So if you need to convert your large china hutch, do it. I give you permission. For some reason, we feel obligated to hang on to things on behalf of our relatives and our friends. This is your living space. You need to do what you want to do, okay? All right, so I hope to give you, I'll probably start painting tomorrow. I got things to do today. I'll start painting tomorrow. I have to nail down a color. If you have a recommendation on a color I should use on this hutch from the Porch Nook Chalky Finish paint line, I would love to hear it. Again, all the tools and sofa legs that I talked about in this live, links are provided under this live, so please check it out. Yeah, just so that you can easily find stuff, okay? Let me know if you plan on working on your china hutch. I give you permission. Have fun with it. You guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.